For this question, part A, we need to describe the mechanism of actions of enzymes using the lock and key hypothesis. So another common way of phrasing the questions as mechanisms of actions will be mode of actions. So this refers to the same thing. So the main mechanisms fall into three main stages. The first stage is the binding stage. So the key to this mechanism is that the active site has a complementary shape to the substrate. Okay, so substrates refers to the reactants molecules. So the substrates molecules will then collide with the active sites of the enzymes and form weak intermolecular forces of attractions. So it will be these forces that hold the substrate in place. The second stage will be the catalysis. So in this stage, while the substrate is held in place at the active site, the enzymes will catalyze the reactions of the substrate to form the product molecules. In the last stage, the weak intermolecular forces of attractions was now actually broken so that the products are released from the active sites. So in this stage, the enzymes, do remember, it remains unchanged and can now be used in another sets of reactions. In part B, we want to explain how changes in pH and temperature affect the activities of the enzymes. Now, we know that enzymes work in a very specific manner because it have active sites of a certain shapes that will complement the substrate. So when I make changes in pH and the temperature, the three-dimensional structure of the active sites in the enzymes will change. And once the shapes of the active site changes, the substrate will not be able to bind effectively to the active site.